Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.